a world where flashy price tags often overshadow the pure joy of driving, we're here to rescue you from automotive FOMO. We've scoured the depths of the used car market, braving rusty underbodies and mismatched paint jobs to bring you the creme de la creme of wallet-friendly speed demons. Ladies and gentlemen, gearheads and adrenaline junkies, welcome back to Car Computer Exchange. Today, we're diving into a realm where the thrill of the open road meets the satisfaction of a wallet that's still comfortably padded. Yep, you heard it right. We're here to reveal the ultimate list of 20 sports cars under $10,000. Picture this, you are not dreaming. These aren't some rusty, clunky relics from the past. No, these are real-world, heart-pounding machines that can be yours for less than the price of a fancy dinner. We're about to take you on a journey that will make you rethink everything you thought you knew about affordable sports cars. So, if you're ready to discover the kind of cars that make you feel alive, even if your budget is more instant noodles than champagne, you're in for a treat. Fasten your seatbelts because we're about to unleash a lineup of hidden gems that'll have you itching to hit the gas pedal and feel the wind in your hair. Get ready to meet your new favorite ride, because these under $10,000 sports cars are here to redefine your driving experience. Subaru BRZ, the believer's ride. Welcome to the land of underdog dreams. The Subaru BRZ has been teasing us with its potential, and finally, the price is playing fair. A 2-liter flat-4 engine churning out 205 horsepower screams twisty roads ahead. It's like the Miata's spirited sibling. Maybe not the fastest in a straight line, but who needs that when corners are your playground? Audi A58T, luxury and power on a budget. Strap in because we're taking German engineering without raiding the piggy bank. The Audi A58T packs a 2-liter Turbo 4 and all-wheel drive. And hey, if you're lucky, you might just snag an S5. More horses, more fun, and more audacious miles per mile. Toota Celica GT, 7th Gen, the unassuming warrior. Don't underestimate the Celica GT. It's the quiet kid in class who becomes a racing legend. With an 8.5-liter inline-4 making 170 horsepower, this lightweight beauty is all about handling. It's a lesson in never judge a car by its horsepower. Mazda Miata NA, the king of twisties. The Miata, the crowned monarch of lightweight fun. Its 1.8-liter inline-4 is like a pocket-sized rocket, making 135 horsepower. It's not about straight-line speed. It's about carving corners with a grin on your face. It's the car equivalent of a high five from the driving gods. Ford Focus ST, the hatchback hotshot. Buckle up, folks. It's time for the Focus ST to take the stage. Packing a 2.3-liter Turbo 4 with 252 horsepower, this hot hatch blends practicality and performance like peanut butter and jelly. It's the kind of car that knows how to have a good time and still get you to work on time. Hyundai Genesis Coupe, Korea's stealthy gem. Meet the Genesis Coupe, Korea's unassuming gift to speed enthusiasts. Its 3.8-liter V6 is flexing 348 horsepower, and that rear-wheel drive layout is a recipe for thrills. It's the equivalent of a hidden dance floor in an unsuspecting building. Where's that music coming from? Mitsubishi 3000 GT, the ninja of sports cars. Channel your inner ninja with the 3000 GT. With its 3-liter V6 and 222 horsepower, it's a mystical creature that blends agility with grace. Like a well-executed martial arts move, this car's handling can leave you breathless. Hey there, speed aficionados! Before we continue our journey through the realm of affordable sports cars, let me ask you this. If you had to choose between a turbocharged thrill seeker or a corner-carving dynamo from our list so far, which one would rev up your heart? Drop your choice in the comments below, and let's keep the conversation burning rubber. BMW 328i E36, the affordable luxury cruiser. Enter the E36, a BMW that's decided to join the party for an affordable entry fee. With its 2.8-liter inline-six making 190 horsepower, it's the perfect blend of luxury and performance without the usual price tag. It's like wearing a tuxedo without having to mortgage your house. Nissan 300ZX Z32, a roaring serpent. Unleash the roar of the 300ZX. With a 3-liter V6 making 222 horsepower, this is a serpent ready to dance on the tarmac. With its T-top option, it's a ride that lets you feel the wind and hear that sweet engine note. A symphony for speed lovers. Chevy Corvette C5, American muscle refined. Take a seat in American history with the C5 Corvette. With its 5.7-liter V8 belting out 350 horsepower, it's an icon of American muscle. And it's not just raw power, it's a car that demands respect on both the straightaways and the curves. Acura RSX Type S, Tuner's Delight. Calling all tuners, the RSX Type S is your canvas for creativity. Its 2-liter turbo inline-4 is begging for some aftermarket magic. This is a car that says, make me faster, make me faster, make me unique. It's the rebellious kid in the back of the classroom with a rock star attitude. Infiniti G37 Coupe, a sleek powerhouse. Slide in to the G37 Coupe, a sleek beast with a 3.7-liter V6 producing 330 horsepower. With options for rear-wheel and all-wheel drive, it's a tamed animal ready to unleash its ferocity when you hit that accelerator. It's a sports car dressed in a luxury suit, and it's ready to impress. Volkswagen GTI MK6 Hot Hatch Hijinks. Hold on to your hats because the GTI MK6 is here to make you smile. With a 2-liter Turbo 4 making 210 horsepower, it's a mischievous hot hatch that's all about putting a grin on your face. It's like a little puppy with a firecracker tied to its tail. Bursts of joy on every drive. BMW 650i E63 Boulevard Bravado. Get ready for a dash of Boulevard Bravado with the 650i E63. Its 4.4-liter V8 produces 325 horsepower, and it's like a luxury car dressed up for a night at the drag strip. It's the executive suit that secretly moonlights as a superhero costume. Nissan 350Z, the wolf of curves. Gather around, driving enthusiasts, and meet the 350Z. With a 3.5-liter V6 roaring with 306 horsepower, it's a wolf in sports car clothing. It doesn't just hug corners, it devours them. It's the kind of ride that turns every curve into an adrenaline-fueled joyride. Chevy Camaro SS 5th Gen, American brute force. Rev up the Camaro SS, a 5th Gen brute force of American muscle. Its 6.2-liter V8 packs a whopping 426 horsepower, ready to unleash on the asphalt. It's the embodiment of freedom and power on 4 wheels. The sound of pure, unadulterated might. Subaru WRX Hawkeye, Rally Hero. Introducing the WRX Hawkeye, the rally hero with a 2.5-liter Turbo 4 under the hood. It's the car that channels your inner rally driver while also being your reliable daily companion. It's a double life of fun and practicality, like having a superhero alter ego. Pontiac GTO, the Challenger's cousin. And when the Camaro hides, there's the Pontiac GTO, the cousin that steps up to the plate. With its 6-liter V8 pumping out power, it's a car that refuses to be overshadowed. It's a tribute to American muscle, and it's here to make its mark. Honda Civic Si 8th Gen, the Pocket Rocket. Last but not least, the Civic Si 8th Gen is a pocket rocket that's compact in size but big on fun. With its lively 2-liter engine, it's a reminder that you don't need a big budget to experience the thrill of speed. And there you have it, folks. A lineup of 20 sports cars under $10,000 that are ready to make your heart race without breaking the bank. From turbocharged wonders to road-hugging champs, we've unveiled the hidden gems that'll have you itching to hit the streets. But don't let the adventure end here. If you're hungry for more thrills, more insights, and more insider tips on the world of budget-friendly speed, hit that subscribe button and join the Car Computer Exchange family. We're here to fuel your automotive passions and keep you in the driver's seat of all things car-related. So until next time, remember, you don't need a trust fund to embrace the joy of the open road. Stay curious, stay fast, and stay tuned.